So today we're going to go through, first we're actually going to talk about an abdominal exercise that's really good for like the lower abdominals, especially when you have a lot of curve in your back. This is a good way to get those muscles to kind of hold better so you don't have too much of that arch. What you're going to do is you're going to use more of your legs. So commonly a lot of people like to do crunches and sit-ups, and that gets a little bit more of the upper part, and that kind of curves you forward. You just needs to be balanced with some of the lower parts of the abdominals, because you can use, even though it's all one muscle, you can use different parts of one muscle, and that's something we'll talk about in end range training or just throughout a muscle length training. So what you'll do, kind of in the easier version, is one leg will be down. You'll tighten down, you'll pull down your lower abdominals, and you're going to use this band to pull up. Now as you pull up with the band, you should be tightening your abdominals even more. So it should be coming mostly from the lower abdominals. If you want to make it a little bit harder, you can tighten up, suspend both legs, and again, same thing. As the knee comes up, you're really tightening up even more. So you should feel like, although a lot of the hip flexors are doing most of the work, the abdominals are really having to stabilize, and you should feel it almost just as much as the hip flexors. If you want to get everything to work together, we've done this in a different video to get the upper back, the extensors of the thoracic spine in as well. So you're getting some lumbar flexions, some thoracic extension, so that everything is starting to line up. But you can actually do a sustained middle trapezius type of exercise, and then add this one in at the same time. You can sustain it, or you can do it all at the same time, depending on level of difficulty and how well you can contract and isolate the muscles.